Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete WordPress website from Hostinger. So let's get started. So at first we are going to log into our Hostinger account. From the Hostinger website we are going to click on login. Here we need to enter our Hostinger username and password and then click on login. And this will take us to our Hostinger account dashboard. Now here you will see web hosting tab. Next to your web hosting, just click on this manage button. Now from the left menu, we are going to click on this website drop down and then we will click on auto installer. Here it will show us all the WordPress installations that are available on our web hosting. Next to our website, we are going to see 3 dots. So we will click on it and then click on delete. Now from this dialog box, we are going to select all the checkboxes and then click on delete. So in this way your WordPress website will be deleted from your Hostinger hosting. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.